Hey travel friends, today on Doodle the Travel Bug, we're having Harry Potter themed afternoon tea at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. Warner Brothers Studio Tour is located 20 minutes outside London city centre, and it's here you'll find the magical culinary journey in the studio's food hall. Now here at Doodle the Travel Bug, we are no strangers to Harry Potter themed travel. We've done potion classes, Universal Studios, The Cursed Child on Broadway, and filming locations in Ireland and the UK. Now, of course, while we're here, we're also doing the Warner Brothers Studio Tour. It's a pilgrimage for any Harry Potter fan. But we also got a ticket add-on for afternoon tea. It's a 90-minute time slot, booked before or after your tour, and cannot be booked separately. Stepping inside the lobby is where the line between the mundane and the magical blurs. There's a humongous Hungarian iron-belly dragon overhead, and of course an even bigger and more monstrous gift shop next door. There's also a food hall and cafe serving food, snacks, and butterbeer. But in the way back, under tons of floating candles, lies an experience full of, well, enchantment. Now, this isn't your typical British tea service. You know, very Umbridge, a doily on everything, elbows off the table, one lump or two. This is meant to be fun. This is not a stuffy ritual. That's for your tea, Alec. We don't just eat cubes of sugar.
We're not horses.
Now, my boys have a lot of questions about tea time and how this is all going to play out. And ultimately, they chicken out of the impressive selection of teas and order hot chocolates. What is this?
This would be the chocolate hot tea.
No, you went with the kids and got hot chocolate. I'm a little jealous. I got green tea. Soon, 2 food stands arrive at our table. First here is Molly Weasley's tea sandwich selection. There's prawn mayo on lemon bread, cucumber cream cheese dill, chicken curry, and Wiltshire ham on tomato bread. Tier 2 comes the savory bites. Hogwarts meat pie, slow-cooked brisket in a flaky pastry. There's the quintessential British snack, a sausage roll. And lastly, a nod to McGonagall's homeland, Scottish smoked salmon on beetroot waffle. Not your favorite, yeah. Good. Hey, we try new things though. Good job.
Here, cleanse your palate with some hot chocolate.
Cleanse your palate with hot chocolate.
All clear.
Now, Tier 3 steals the show, each sweet treat looking like an edible jewel. There's a golden snitch of white chocolate and raspberry ganache. The butterfly chocolate sphere is filled with passion fruit. It was a bit lost on me for its Harry Potter connection until Marco filled us in.
Follow the spiders? Why do we have to follow the spiders when we could just follow some butterflies?
There's Hagrid's pumpkin patch, a pumpkin loaf cake, Dumbledore's sherbet lemon, and Lupin's chocolate macarons.
Oh, that's good.
And everyone's favorite bite of the day, inspired by the Wizarding World's favorite beverage, it's the butterbeer scones.
Amazing.
That is a butterbeer scone. What'd you put on it? Did you put clotted cream on?
No, just some jelly. It's amazing though.
As we take our last sips of tea, we have to prepare our hearts to leave this imaginative space and head back to the Muggle world.
For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.